Let's go ahead and take a look at some things here. Not just your Tucson, Arizona CERN dynamics, but let's take a look at this. I'm going to go ahead and talk about the Higgs boson. But first, let's talk about this. The DElAtionary encryption. The God particle. A treasure trove of the ancient DEA arts, fortitude of an ET artificial intelligence. Guru outerwebbed with demonology and existential expansion. Allurance of super targets versus big Ks. And I don't mean to go on a bar rant, but if you can boost your levels of starsight, even a Chinese-Japanese federal studio no longer has the bearings to spin the wheel of deceptional theology. We're flying faster than the simulated hologram. Advertisement hologram. You are now wearing a Halo Spartan combat suit, tech suit, to shoot hoops in the NBA. Forget the UA Enigma. Bohemian Grove isn't Disney play. Masonic esoteric temples begin to look as trivial as an old parabolic satellite dish you see. Poking the bear is pointless when you can use the Higgs boson to create a dead wave and delete the bear. My theory is this isn't a light refraction beam, it's a dead wave. That's why it appears to travel faster than your laser. It's a DElAtionary encryption within the universe. It just simply makes things disappear instantly. Let's talk about the Higgs boson itself. The Higgs boson is the God particle. It's been observed by the physics department. It's under surveillance. Now remember, particles change, such as a wave particle of light that changes its simulated outcome logistics refraction point simply under observation. Alright, it has 4 different properties it's affected by: gravity, space, time, and mass. So, gravity, space, time, and its mass. It's usually only in quantum states of mass and gravity. So how does this particle interact with time? Well, the reason it appears to move faster than the speed of light is because it harnesses the equation of time and deletes it. I call this the DElAtionary theory. It has also been observed everywhere in space at once. I think this is because it deletes the equation of time. However, it should become explosively reactive in the quantum of space and time if it were everywhere at once, right? So let me give you another example. Suppose you have somebody that was wanted by the military, a special wanted case. You have a guy, you're Higgs, on the observation grid. Now, gravity has its effects on it, right? And the more stuff this person has, the more it is affected by this gravity. You can think of space as artificial intelligence, love, good and bad, hungry, sexually aroused. Now time, the big scary Mason-controlled prison lobby setups and stasis fields. The Higgs has been recorded in 4 different atomic parallel states. That's nuclear physics, as Dr. Michio Kaku from the New York City College would say. Get used to it. Hell, Higgs has been a flatlander. It's been seen out of state while it was in state in multiple cities. Timeline. Remember, the Higgs rejects time and deletes it. However, the Higgs has been observed in space. If it deletes its own setups and rejects the quantum theory of time, then how could it be in an explosive space where, let's say, Higgs is the anti-Big Bang deletion of everything? See, it's a felon. Higgs is a felon, but it still lives. It still lives in a residence where there was an NRA member with firearms. The only way you could know this about your Higgs, being in 3 cities and being out of state, is to have it under surveillance, observation. KPLAY, the Patriot Act, changes the laws of physics even with Higgs. It defies all laws of known physics. That's my DElAtionary theory of the Higgs boson.